My name is Clinton Weir from Pineapple Jam Hospitality, and today I'd like to take you guys through our new DIY cocktail shake and stir pack. So once you've received your box, I'll take you guys through an equipment and ingredient checklist. So that's obviously your equipment. And then of course you're going to need to have drinking vessels of your choice. You're going to need to have at least 20 cubes of ice. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one portion of the gin, pour into the jigger like that, pour into the glass. This is a spiced pineapple syrup mixed with lemon juice, which creates obviously a sour mix. 100 mils of soda into my drink. So what you do is you put the head of the spoon in the base of the glass. And what you want to do is you want to go back and forth about 6 or 7 times. Back and forth a few times, done. Recommended, fill your glass full of ice. We're going to pour that in. I've garnished my drink with a dehydrated lemon and one of our copper metal straws. And that is the pineapple spritz. Cheers, everybody.